Okay, hello. Hope you guys doing well. Uh, Sorry for the last delay. I was not able to demonstrate the demo because of the electricity breakage here. Unfortunately, we are living in the second world country, so right now we are up and running. So what we have now is the demo of the front end of Recruiter UI. So basically, I developed the application in three stages. First is the backend development, second is the front end development, and third is the integration. And you can say that connection of front end with the backend. So in this way, it works. So right now we are on the second stage, and I developed the UI for the recruiter, and in the next Sunday I will show you all three UIs of let's say job seeker, recruiter, and the admin. And after that we will do the integration part, and once the integration part of the recruiter done, and second will be the job seeker and the admin as well. So in this way the whole application will be completed. So without further delay, I going to show you the demo what I have prepared. And of course you are open to do for any modification, colors, text, font style, and even you can say add this more window, reduce the window. So I will do the modification. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. So we have now what we have. So we have the splash screen. So and the second is onboard. We developer call it onboard. This screen will be shown to the user for the first time. Let's say the user open up the app from the App Store or Google Store. So after the installation, this window will be the one time shown to the user, and what is saying that you have to go with the sign up, sign in. If you already have account, then you have to go with the sign in, and if you don't have, and of course you have to go with the sign up process. So right now I'm going with the login. So while having a login, maybe we forgot the password, so we have the forgot password window. What the user have to do is just provide the email and hit the reset password button, and all the instructions and how to reset the password, and the whole mechanism will be provided on his email securely. And once done, he will have to go back on the login, provide the latest password and login. And of course if he don't have the account, he can go with the create new account option and have to fill this detail, email, password, confirm password, and sign up, and goes back. And let's say he goes sign up, and then he will be redirected to the dashboard. And from our demo, because we are not integrating with the backend, so it will not going to go automatically on the dashboard. So I will go on already have account and go with this, let's say Gmail. Okay, I don't have to go with the O2. So okay, at the rate gmail.com, password is like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and sign up. So after the login, the user will see his dashboard, especially because I'm demonstrating the recruiter UI, so he will see his dashboard. So from the top I explain the things, um, saying the hi, the person name, and who's the pharmacy owner, and if the pharmacy name and his city and country will be listed there. And of course we have first the notification, and maybe how many times he has log out, uh, what are the subscription paid by him, and this then that blah blah. And let's say he posted the job, then there will be a notification automatically generated. And second two cards are showing that how many jobs are active and how many jobs are completed. Let's say he has closed, and let's say he has hired. Those jobs will be shared in the pink color. Okay, the second is today's hiring activity. Let's say he has posted some jobs, and he has reviewed some profiles of job seekers. How many profiles he has reviewed against any job will be counting his progress, and also based on these stats, our application will going to rank the recruiter, so that when a job seeker is going to apply for a recruiter's job, he can see clearly that the user who is providing the jobs, how many jobs he posted, whether he verified, what kind of his profile stat, whether he is 5 rated, 3 rated, and 3.5, and this and that. So based on these stats, his rating will be calculated by our application automatically. And of course, if he has done any conversation with any candidate, any job seeker, so I think the candidate will be replaced with the job seeker word. I will do that. So let's say he wants to create the job, and he started the job, and later on he realized that he don't want to publish and make it as a draft. So those jobs will be shown only to him as a private, and um, application will show it as upcoming hiring action. And lastly, we have the stats. Of course, the dashboard always has stats. So recruiter can see, I think again the candidate word will be replaced with the job seeker, in my opinion. And if you want to stick with the candidate, I will not going to touch it. Okay, and lastly we have logout button, and definitely if we click, then we go back to the login page. And the second tab is jobs. So these are the jobs posted by the recruiter. Recruiter will see the jobs that are posted by him, and also the other jobs will be listed below, that the publicly available, which are basically created by the other recruiters as well. So if he wants to see the job details, so he can click on view button, and he can see what is the detail of this job available, and how many people have viewed this job, and how many candidates, you can say the job seekers, have applied on his job application. Okay. So again, we have some other two options that is available, that is whether he wants to close the job from here, and whether he wants to edit the job. So let's say he wants to edit the job, all the details he can easily edit. Right now it's not showing because it's the UI is not integrated with the server. So once integrated with the server, you will able to see all the details will be edited. Okay, so we go back, and we have explained this, and now we have this button. So if you see this bottom navigation, we call it the latest UI standard as notch bottom icon. So it will be same on Android, it will be same on iPhone. So if uh, why it's bigger than the other buttons, because mostly the users more frequently click on this to add for a new job. So let's say I want to add the job, I will provide the basic details, and of course this is the basic UI. And based when it's connected to the server, if any other input I think I have to add, I will add that in input in it. And also the required skill set will be, definitely I will change to the other things related to the pharmacy that you have provided me, and I will add those stuff, and also allow an input here just like this, that a recruiter can add as many skills he wants to add. So again, user can save it as draft for the future, and he can publish from here. Go back, and now we have messaging screen. So let's say I click. So because there will be a chat window, why? Because we have these jobs, so maybe users have applied on it. Maybe I will add the linkage between this job to this chat, so this job will be automatically open in the chat. So once the click to the user will apply, and automatically that chat will be open with this job. Let's say this first job, user have applied on this, and easily it will be redirected to this chat window, as here I am interested to this job, and again it will also open in the chat window. Okay, so these guys can communicate with each other. So and discuss the salary and what they want and those type of stuff. Go back. So again we have the payment option. Okay, so in the payment option, why we have this page? Because definitely if the client is paying for your application, that he then he has a right to view what are the amount and what are the payment cards that you guys are using. So even if I later publish this application in App Store, Apple will say clearly that you have to show the payment stats here, what are the payments you are charging, and the transaction details, refund policy, all the stuff you have to list it there. Android does not take care about it. Android says that you can go with any policy you want. So but iPhone does not allow it, so we have to show this to the user. There is add to cart button. By clicking on it, user can easily add his new payment card. Let's say the previous debit card or Visa card is blocked, not working, and then he can add the new one and pay for the subscription fee. Okay, I think I have explained all the details of the UI, and yeah, so I have explained everything I think what is developed, and you guys can give me any comment, suggestion, any modification that you want to do with this UI. I will do that. So till then, bye bye.